So if you've been to our Linktree for Flare, you've seen this. And what Linktree is it gives you a site where all of your links to everything, like all your social media, your email, any link that you want to put that's connected to your business, you can put on the Linktree. So then I thought, what if you made a Linktree for your classroom? So Linktree's quick and easy to sign up for. So I just signed up on my school account. You're going to continue on. Then you're going to just put in your sites. So if I have this bathroom sign out, I'm just going to click add link, and then I'll put my URL, and then it'll pop up on there. I'm going to copy my link to my bathroom sign out and see how it goes all on there. And then I'm going to go back to my Linktree, and I just put that URL there like that, add, and then I can change the title, and I can just put bathroom sign out. And then it changes it there. You could add your link to a classroom library where they check out books online. You can add a link to anything else that you use in the classroom. If you have your own YouTube channel, I have a colleague that I work with who has an amazing YouTube channel that she provided for her students with, videos about what they learned in class. Anything that you have, but then all you have to do then is just have them type in the email, Linktree, and then /yours. So here's the Flare Educator one. And that's it. So you could post this link to like your Google Classroom or to Canvas or whatever you use, and all they would need is that one link, and then it allows them to access all of these other things to manage your class easily and quickly. I hope it works for you. Let me know. Thank you.